kicks like me. Everybody want chicks like me. Everybody want flicks like me. Everybody trying to get like me. Everybody want kicks like me.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Hunter. I make videos on fashion, veganism, fitness, beauty, all of that stuff. So if you want to subscribe and join the family, you totally should. So today's video is a morning routine, and you guys seem to really enjoy these videos, so I love making them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you turn on post notifications because YouTube's algorithm right now is so messed up, and my videos aren't going to people's subscription boxes, so definitely make sure you hit that bell. I'm going to have my Instagram and Snapchat on the screen here, so if you want to go follow me, you totally should. I love Instagram right now, and I'm trying to perfect my feed, if you must say, so definitely make sure you go check that out. I post stories on Instagram and Snapchat all the time. Snapchat's a little more personal. I always post some really weird stuff on there. I like to goof off and just post stuff on my stories, so definitely go make sure you follow me on Snapchat. Yeah. Make sure you go check out my Poshmark. I'm gonna have it on the screen here as well. I've been selling so much clothes recently, and I really enjoy it. So if you are looking for any clothes, or you just want to go check out what I have, totally should. I'll also have the rest of my social medias in the description down below. Anyways, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So before we get into the actual video, I just want to show you guys some cool things that mixeasy.com sent me. So if you guys don't know what mixeasy.com is, it's basically a website where you can make a different combination for shampoo, conditioner, face wash, lotion. It's honestly such a cool website, and I didn't think things like that existed, and when I came across it, I was just like, wow, this is really cool. So of course they let me make some combinations of like lotions and stuff, and I really like it because you can pick like different ingredients that help different type of things. For example, I chose a lot of ingredients that will help with acne and removing blemishes because that is something that I really struggle with. Anyways, they were super cute, and they sent me a little postcard to go along with it, and it says unique, which is really cute. Having no like or equal, unparalleled, incomparable, simply you. I just think this is so cute. They were actually so kind enough to give you guys a coupon code, which I'll have on the screen here. So once again, they were super cute, and they sent it all in little like pink tissue paper with like little things. What is this? Paper? I don't know. It's now all over me. And they have a little sticker on there. I don't know if you can see it. It just says Mix Easy. And I just think this is really cute. I don't think any company has sent me stuff like this put together. And I think the most important part is that they individually wrapped each container in bubble wrap, which is amazing, so they don't get damaged or broken or anything like that. So I decided to pick conditioner, shampoo, and then a face cleanser. And another cool thing about this website is not only can you pick ingredients to go in it, you can also pick the scent that you want. So I thought that was really cool. This is a hair conditioner. Let's see what it smells like. I don't even remember what I chose. Oh my gosh, that actually smells really good. I think I did choose the same scent for both, so let's see. Yeah, it's the same thing. So that smells really good, and I think the containers are super cute. Let me just show you up close. So this is what the container looks like up close. It's really bright and colorful, which is different from what I usually own, and I kind of like it. And then this is the other one, very pink, very yellow, and I really like it. It really screams spring and summer to me. So I'm so excited to try these. These are just the cutest thing ever. Actually, my stepmom, when she gets back from Italy, she's gonna love trying this, so I'm gonna save her some. Actually, my stepsister too. I think both of them are gonna really enjoy this, so I definitely have to make sure to save some. So like I said before, I really struggle with acne. I don't have like super bad acne, but I get pimples all the time. My face is really red, minus my sunburn right now, but I just don't have the most clear face. So I'm so excited to try this face cleanser. I'll show you guys what it looks like up close. Also, I kind of want to smell it. Dude, that smells so good. That's actually, I like this smell better than the others. So for me especially, I'm very excited to try this out. I think I'm more excited to try out the face cleanser than the conditioner shampoo, just because, once again, it's something that I struggle with. So this is what the face cleanser looks like up close, and I love this bottle so much. I like how there's different colors to it, and they're kind of pastel-like. So thank you so much to mixeasy.com. These are the cutest things ever, and I'm so grateful that you guys sent me these, so thank you so much. So definitely make sure you go and try them out. I'm gonna have all their information linked down below. They're honestly, I think they're an amazing company, and I'm pretty sure their products are vegan and cruelty free. I'm actually gonna go look that up right now and I'll let you guys know for sure, but I'm 99% sure they are. So I'm on their website right now and they are vegan friendly. They're natural and organic, vegan friendly, cruelty free, freshly prepared. They have easy returns, handmade, customized for you, and premium quality. So it's literally everything that you want in a product. I just think they're amazing, so definitely make sure you guys go check them out. Anyways, enough with that. Let's just go ahead and get right into the morning routine.
break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it. in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be.
That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. You guys should comment some video requests or ideas down below because I really want to know what you guys want to see and I'm super curious, so make sure you comment that down below. Anyways, I love you guys so much and I will see you in the next video. Love ya!